Hey guys, this is Animal Crossing Part 2. It was still made on May 14th. I'm probably going to do a Part 3 at my aunt's house. But I just named our town White Bay and placed someone's houses. And I interacted with someone. Let's do it again. Eating. Having a good time, yes. Now, this is a little bit much, so you can feel like taking a swim nap in your tent. By all means, go ahead. We'll keep the fire burning. Maybe I'll go do that. Sounds good to me. But first, you'll probably want this. A leaf. It's your very own camping car. You want to set up in your tent before you lie down. Oh, and there are a few packages waiting in your tent. Just a few items that might be useful. To open packages and use things inside, press A. On your right, you can move L to crawl in your bed. We got another big day of us tomorrow, so we can rest as much as tonight. Console battery low. Mom, what do I do? Do I charge it?
Yeah, charge it again inside of you.
Ah.
Let me see you charge it for a minute.
It's low though.
Let me see you charge it for a minute.
Okay. I should have ended last episode on this. Let's act like that this is the beginning of the episode. Okay.
And I'm gonna plug it.
Yes, that's all for me now. Oh, I have to plug it now. Time Tuesday. Can I bring this to Vanessa's?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my goodness, no. It won't work. I think I
Is
might
there any other plugs around the house?
over there. But I don't feel like moving my laptop. I guess I could. I mean, I could. It worked. Yes. I think I might have to. Okay. How do I plug it in? Where do I plug it in? Right there. Plugging. Charging. 14%. Well, it says it's charged. So that's good. Now say hi.
Hi.
It's all for me. Sweet. Good dreams, Aiden. Okay, I'm moving now. I went in. I'm in it. Am I in it now? I'm in it now. Look. X. No. B. I forgot what I was supposed to do. I'm going back out. I forgot what to do. Tell me again. I'm going to go into other people's tents. It won't let me in there. It won't let me in there. Bro. Okay, fine. I'll go into here. Okay. I forgot what I pressed though. Was it B? I'm pretty sure it's B. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, it's A. It's the radio. And what's this? I bet it's a lamp. How do I do that? B. Y. What? Oh, a lamp. What do I do now? I have all the boxes unboxed. I think I go back to the mayor. I'm confused. I'm going to go back. you wake up tomorrow, please stop by your residence store for things. No, is the tab right by near my knee. When everything L, it caught up in your coat. Press L to hop in your coat. Okay. What was it again? I don't remember what it said. What do I do? I'm confused. What do I do? It's still night. I'm gonna ask him again. Hello again. Choose a new spot. Repeat. Stand in front of it and press a simple key. I hope you find the camping spot in your tent useful. Now press A to open the path entries. Oh. Hi. Okay, but where else was it? There is your move L. Top me. Egg.
Lime or just a regular Bud Light?
Okay, there it is. Messed my head for a little while. Oh. Rest. I'm getting sleepy. Dot, 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 dot. Okay, look. It's a doggy. I remember him. So, looks like you decided to make your own way into a get out there, explore new frontiers. KK. Who's KK? KK. That's all the way right, Daddy-o. You don't need to live by anyone's rules but your own. The world is made for exploring, you know. Living free, being out there, it's a great feeling. Yeah, but take it from a cat who's been on the road. Being lonesome can grind on your soul. You've got to make friends along the way. Rambling this crazy world is squares will without some crazy cow. Yeah, man, friends are what it's at. Speaking of rambling, I'm doing a bit of that myself. Bye, man. Maybe it's about time for you to wake up to your new life. Oh, but listen up. That rap I just gave you about your friends, it's pretty cute. You'll dig this island thing, dig this island life a whole lot more if you share with your friends. It's at your scene. It's that scene. It is your best pals. Sound pretty groovy to me. Cool. When you wake up, you'll be in sync with the real time. Dig that island in your life. I'll catch you later. Who is KK? He's playing the guitar. Oh, fade to black. I just woke up. Aiden, are you in there? I hope I haven't woke you real quick. I do wish to discuss something with you. Yes. I'll be here when you're ready. X. Portable radio. Please item. I'm gonna put that there. Please item. Turn off. KK salsa. Smart. Okay. You should watch the last one if you are confused. Ah, there you are. I hope you had a pleasant nap. I did. Or, well, I suppose it was a bit more than a nap, wasn't it? It's a brand new day. It is. I slept that long. Oh, yes. It's quite a normal to be worn out from such a long trip and a major life event. Yeah. Speaking of which, I have a few more things that you might find useful as you just to life in our paradise. That's not the title of the game though. It's Animal Crossing, and Waiupe, and Waiupe, not Animal Crossing. Waiupe is Animal Crossing. Okay, first you'll need one of these. Yes? Question mark. A phone. Drone nuke phone. These especially made for island residents. A phone? A phone in a video game on a console, which a phone is not a console. But this is a console and this is similar to a phone. Look, it has a screen, but this one has a controller and it's not a touch screen. Hey. I want to make sure it's working right. So you can try turning it on for me. Oh look, the nuke phone. Welcome with the cake. Good. Looks like you're getting a good representation as well. Okay, feel free to put it away now. I feel like putting it away. Say it. Have you ever used a smartphone before? Not really. Sure have. I don't have one of my own. I have though. I have one of my own. Very good. This should be a breeze for you. In fact, nuke phones are rather easier to operate than ordinary phones. Oh yes, you simply remove most of the features. Oh, I have one more thing for you. What's the thing? What? Hey. It's your itemized bill. I don't want a bill. This service includes, labor tax and of course your nuke phone. Bring a grand total to the modest sum of 4800 bells. I've heard of bells in this before on YouTube, but I have never actually seen it. What are bells? Okay, bells. Oh, good one, Eden. Wait, you're being serious? Yes, of course. I can't believe I didn't think of this. Well, bells are a currency that can be exchanged for goods or service here on Waiupe. But there's still the problem that, of course, you don't have any. Yes, of course. Well, you need to worry because the Waiupe has a lot of bells. Just kidding, he didn't say that. He said, well, no need to worry. I was prepared for this type of exactly this type of tricky situation. For the getaway package, you can pay your fees with miles instead of standard bells. I think it's an extremely helpful start. The nuke millage program. Military-based program, millage program, question mark. Millage, nuke millage? What's that? Well, it's quite extraordinary. Extraordinary, if I do say myself. Okay. With nuke millage program, you can earn miles by living simply here in Waiupe. I dare say, the more you enjoy your island life, the more nuke miles you can earn. And you can use them to pay back and moving your fees and much more. So the bottom line is you need 949 to pay your move fee, but with this new service, would you believe it? It only comes to 500 miles. it'll just go ahead and rent you so you can pay miles. Yes, but there are more details available with your Nuke phone. Just open the Nuke Miles app, and you'll see that you've earned Nuke app just for traveling to the island and joining the program. That's a lot to take in, especially for someone who's been live streaming for who's been recording for almost an hour, because this is 15 minutes and the last one was like 43 minutes. That's almost an hour. Now, if you excuse me, I'm just get back to a few other matters. But I let me heartily congratulate you once again on your arrival. I'm so happy to have you as a resident of Waiau Bay and a client of Nuke Inc. Okay. My new life is underway. I can do whatever I want. Woohoo! From now on, the sound match is full time in the real life. Do not touch the power button when you auto-save indicator in the top right screen corner. You can also save and quit your game after pressing that. Where's that? Oh, that? Okay. How do I go back in there? Camera. Pictures will be saved to the album on the home menu, which other users who use the same system will be able to see them. X. Yeah. Pop, soft, dramatic, and then L. Frame. Cinema. Time, date, frame plus date, none. Frame, cinema, yes, cinema looks the best. A, take photo, plus. That looks so cool. How do I edit this though? B. Okay, ZL. What's that? Custom designs, Nuke Miles. You enrolled in the Nuke Village program. Earn Nuke Miles from completing island activities. Then, trade those miles for various perks and goods at the Nuke stock in the residence center. Make the most out of island life. Earn Nuke Miles. So this is miles. A. So you get miles. You got Nuke Miles. 500. Okay. B. What's this? Angling for perfection. Living how to fish is an essential skill to living on a remote or the beginning of fishing matters. I'm good at fishing in real life, so that's good. Out togetherness. One of these goals, on Nuke is resident to get Nuke Miles chatting with the resident. Try to talk with all your neighbors every day. You got the bug. Earn miles from from just catching creepy crawlies. Every bug you catch it won't be surprising in someone's sock drawer. Okay, that's it. Close. Custom designs. What's that? Custom designs. What'd that do? Did that do anything? Oh, look, I have mail. Nintendo gift. Dear Aiden, congratulations on your big move. We hope to enjoy your new island life. To celebrate the fresh start, we'd like to give you that Sergeant handed. Okay. X. A. Okay, what's that do? Custom designs. ASOS. Oh, finally, I accidentally have been pressing B. With this app, you can create custom designs to where it goes in the display around the app. When you save custom designs on the app, you can share them with other islanders. There's a chance that your designs will be designed will definitely put example. Please don't create anything other rights. Don't use private yours or else anyone else's or offensive words or images. There's an airplane flag in islands. Tree, self-portrait, painted music notes, three-leaf clover, vine pattern, flower outfit and paid outfit, design pattern. Where? Undo. Actually, three-leaf clover. Where? Tops. And then face paint too. Just cause. Okay. I've customized my character, their clothes. There's map. Why Bay. Check the map for your current location. You can also press X to change the settings and choose whether to display the mini map during your day-to-day activities. Okay. A. That's my house. That's their house. Muffy. Also, it shows everyone's house. Resident servicers. Airport. How do I go there? Oh, I can't. Okay, be close. What about passport? Your passport information show here. This information was used by other players using another island, for example. Or you can comment or tell at any time. Customer them to show your style. Okay. Okay. So, that's my thing. Passport. May 14th, 2020. Aiden, born May 15th. Very first island dweller, Wild Bay, Cherry. Okay. Be closed. What about rescue services? Use this service for emergency when your pathway block is stuck. We sent to a place such as your home or resident service or service. Okay. Close your service. Cancel. Okay. I've done everything on my phone. Now it's time to go to resident services. Okay. I'm in there. Aiden, welcome. As you can see, it's quite cozy in here. It's funny how cozy always means comfortable. Let me know if you need advice on how to spend your time on this island or anything else. If you need some advice about basic island map materials, you should talk to Timmy. He can help you proceed with some of the centers of preserving life in Little Paradise. If you want to earn some dollars, he has a rather generous policy of purchasing just about anything. Not strictly advisable from a business perspective, but quite generous. Yes. One more important thing. I'm offering a free DIY workshop that can help you build out so I do dope you take me on it. Okay, what about this? No, welcome. You don't waste any time, do you? Oh, we're still selling off for stars. We intend to offer a small selection of our good for resident services. Space is limited right now, but we'll try to have some fresh stock each and every day. I'm sure you're busy, but feel free to take a look at some of the items we're thinking of selling. I'll take some other time. Of course, and stop by anytime. When I see sellers, we'll also buy things from you, including stuff gathered on this island. And because we want to support William pay a little bit in return for any wings or trash to be in it. If you want to know whether we'll buy something, just ask. Okay. I'm gonna try and prank them now. Oh, it's afternoon. Yeah, that's the perfect time to prank them. Rescue services. Call. Hello. Thanks for your call. You reached the rescue services hotline. Let's see. You are. I got. It's Aiden. I'll be back later. Hey, now your first time using a rug. That's in both of your service for you. Okay, I'll help you out when you get yourself some. Give her a call, and faster than you can say Earthworm Salmon. We can Earthworm Salmon. We can transport you to someplace nice and safe. Revolution Tech. How's it work? Trade secret. Yeah, you nosy noodle. Seriously, leave it alone. Free structure, simple. A single rescue will cost you 100 pounds. That's what you say. Good, thanks. What's that? You're good? If you're in a jam, just say the word. See ya. I actually heard see ya. I'm gonna leave this now. Ready to wrap things up for now? Save and end. Saving, do not touch. Save complete. Come back and play anytime. Okay. What do I do now? It's just the loading screen. Well, that was quite the adventure. I even tried to prank all the villagers. Animal Crossing, Old New Horizons. Okay. Okay, goodbye.